Hi, everybody. Today we're going to take a look at how to negate statements with quantifiers and how to avoid some very common mistakes. First, recall an important idea. A statement and its negation must have opposite truth values. If the statement is true, the negation is false, or if the statement is false, the negation is true. Let's start with a statement you may already know is false. All natural numbers are prime. We know this statement is false because we have numbers like 4 and 6 that are not prime. Now, suppose we try to negate this statement by just adding the word not. That would say all natural numbers are not prime. This is also false. We have numbers like 2, 3, and 5 that are prime. So what really happened here? Even though we added the word not, we did not create the negation because the truth value didn't change. Both statements are false, which means they can't be negations of each other. To correctly negate a quantified statement, we have to do two things. We need to change the quantifier and negate the statement. So if we go back to our original statement that said all natural numbers are prime, we need to change all to there exist, and we need to change prime to say not prime. When we put that together, we get there exists a natural number that is not prime. This statement is true. Now let's look at an example with numbers. This time we have there exists a number that is less than 0. When we negate it, we need to change there exist to a universal quantifier for all, and we need to change less than 0 to its negation. We're going to say greater than or equal to 0. Putting that together, we can say for all numbers, x is greater than or equal to 0. Let's take a minute to talk about something important here. Notice we didn't just put in not, like not x less than 0. That's kind of hard to say. The thought here is that if a number is not less than 0, then it is either equal to 0 or greater than 0, which means not x less than 0 is exactly the same as x greater than or equal to 0. This shows the negation is not just about putting the word not, it's about writing an equivalent statement that precisely captures the opposite. Let's look at an example where we use symbols. This symbolic statement means for all values of x, it is not true that x is greater than 2. Now let's negate this statement. We're going to change for all to there exist, and we'll take out the word not, which gives us x is greater than 2. As a quick wrap up, I want you to remember three things. When you're doing negations, you need to switch the quantifier, negate the statement, and make sure your result truly has the opposite truth value of your original statement.